Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the trending mask transitions tutorial on CapCut mobile. So if you want to make your videos look smooth, stylish and professional, in this video I'll show you step by step on how you can create the trending mask transition using CapCut. So first you can start by adding your clips into CapCut like this, and then prepare an image like this. You can do freeze frame, or you can also add another image like I do in here and make it as overlay. And now you can just move the image in here at the under the first clip like this, and now remove the background of the image. So I'm going to use the auto removal, hit on a check icon, and now duplicate this overlay. So I'm going to duplicate it 3 times. And if you add music, you can put each overlay to the beats. Okay. Now click on the first overlay and go to mask. Click on the horizontal and swipe to the bottom like this. Hit on the check icon, and now on the second one, do the same. So on masking, you need to click in third. So it will go like this. So it will have a reveal effect. So repeat the step until the last overlay. And on the last one, reveal all of the image. Okay, after the masking, you can now click on the overlay again, then split each overlay around 0.1 or 0.2 seconds. Okay, now on the splitted scenes, you can click on it and go to adjust, then just follow my steps in here. So for the brightness and contrast, increase it to around 30 or 25, brightness and contrast only, and click on the grabs in here, and you can follow my steps like this. Hit on a check icon and repeat it for all of these splitted scenes. Okay, so now the overlay will look like this, and you can just add the photos to the main video. So this will be the final result. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.